Ito, una si Billy Mamaril to his 5th foul. Number 21 and number 22 para kay Steven Thomas.
21st free throw attempt para kay Thomas. Nakapagpatayo na yata siya ng bakit dyan.
If they have practice tomorrow and hihingi ng coach na magkaroon ng free throw shooting drill, sabihin niya, Coach, tapos na ako kahapon. Ang dami ko nang tinira.
Here's Helterbrand. Artadi back in the game. And Artadi will miss. Thomas with the rebound. Over to Billones. Billones steps on the gas. Billones going all the way. No go. Billones got the ball back. Sabi niya, tara, let's set it up. They can actually go for the last basket of the 3rd quarter. They're down by 1. Arwin Santos will miss. Bola nakuha ni Kagiwa. Over to Helterbrand. Helterbrand on the move. Helterbrand! There's Chris Alexander. Here's Billones. Fires the goal. Alexander got the basketball at dyan magtatapos ang 3rd quarter.